Carpooter here, and today I am starting Ratchet and Clank. Oh yeah, I skipped up a bit.
Heavily armed robotic commandos. When aren't they heavily armed?
Okay, I have played this game. I have played this game before, but it was on a different character. It was on my other one, but today I just started a new one. So, but I had everything on it pretty much. I like my rocket shoes and all. And on Minecraft, I could be changing my skin. You don't know. Yeah, I have changed it to a hippo. No, to a thing. Rhino. Okay, so I have played this before, so.
Welcome back, customer 91802. If you're looking to combat a massive, deadly space armada, the Gadgetron Help Desk will be happy to assist.
Okay, I see some baddies. Get back. I know that you're there. Okay, so let's take them on. Oh no! Charge back, charge back. I'm trying to change to my gun. Oh, watch my back, watch my back, watch my back, watch my back. Okay, so I'm going back in, jumping over them. Oh, run, run. Run it, run for it. I have played this game before, but I forget how to play. But I will get better at it as we go. So please stick around. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Ha, took them out. Wrong way, I think so. Wait, did I go the wrong way all the time? Yeah! Okay, took someone out. I think I was going the wrong way, I'm not sure. Yeah, I was going the wrong way, sorry. So that just seemed like something different. Oops! I was going the right way. Now I have to restart this over again. So you go. Yeah! Go me! Oh, yes! Ratchet is the best. Where am I aiming off to? Okay, there we go. Take him out, and just make a run for it. Make a run for it, lads. Yeah, I've been thinking that I could be calling you like things, so please leave things in the comments saying what I should call you, like the the magicians or something, for like Car Pluto and stuff. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. So I took out loads of people so far.
Press the fire button to use your currently selected weapon.
Fire button. Oh, that's cool. Take back. Get back. Do I jump on this? Oh yeah, we do. Get destroyed out of it.
You can access the quick select menu by holding down the action button. Use the left stick to select your weapon.
Take him out. Take them out. I died. That is not fair. I'm sorry guys, I died like 3 times. Just make a run, make a run. Make the run for it, lads. Oh yes, we're getting so. Oh, die. Okay, so jump on this. I've done it before. Okay, now I have to shoot this lad. I've done it before.
Access the quick select menu by holding down the action button. Use the left stick to select
Take
your
back.
weapon.
Get back. Okay, I took out someone. I have to take out these lads. Oh, get back, get back, get back, get back. Behind here. Oh, I'm full health out of 10. Yes, I took him out. Need an orb. Is there any orbs? No, there's no orbs. Oh, do I have to dodge stuff now?
You can access the quick select menu by holding down the action button. Use the left stick to select your weapon.
I don't want the weapon so far. I want to use my gun. No, the ammo. How do you move stuff in this? Oh yeah, I know how. It's one of these ones, right? O2 left. Oh my god. I just have to do this again. Run past, run past, run past. Get back, get back. Running from... Get back, get back, get back. Look, I'm getting the hang of this now, lads. It's getting better as we go along. Wow, wow, wow.
You can access the quick select menu by holding down the action button. Use the
So
left stick to
L, where's the
select your
L? I've done this before.
weapon.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, I'm trying to run past them right now. So let's try that. Okay, so. Where is the running extra part? Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it, I see it. Oh, here. Jump. 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 Can I double jump here? No. Just no double jump. Ah, this is getting me dizzy, lads. I can't see pretty much. Okay, now I have it. Now I have it. Jump. Do I go in here? Don't know. Now the ammo. How I'm on it. How do we do this? Wait, I think I have it now. Is it X? Yes. Do I double tap it? Wait, do I press select? Oh, there's something. I think something broke on this. Wait. Is it start? Oh, no. Go mad now. Wait, no, I have no weapon, so what am I trying to do with that? I have my wrench out already. See? I have my wrench out. Just run past them. Wrong way. I think I'm doing this right, I'm not sure. Oh look, I have a little jumping thing. Oh, I think we have to take them out, I'm not sure. We have to take them out, are you serious? Jump over here, jump over here, jump. Take them out. Okay, we've done it, lads. Who do I come from? Where do I go from here? Oh, I didn't see that. Am I at the start? Phew, I'm back at these lads. I'll laugh if I was back at the start. Take this lad out. Took him out. Now I know for future, never jump off that side. Okay, I took out him. Okay, be careful. Come over here, back over here. Take these out.
Ratchet, the sky bridge is collapsing.
Okay, took him out. Now take him out. Take him out. Take them out. Come back over here. Oh look, I got a little bit of health. Okay, we're making some progress here. Took him out. Take him down. Yes. Yes. Why? Okay, so I need some help right now. Yeah, I need some help. So, what do these green ones do? I think I got some ammo. Not sure. Okay. Which one do I jump on? This one? I hope I jumped on the right one. Ooh! Oh my god! Woo! Jump dodging skills. Okay, so we are going to try this again. Oh yeah, if you want to know who's having a shot now, it's my brother. I think we have ammo on my gun, I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay, my brother's just having a go. We have full health. How much things have I done? Don't worry, I will be doing some more episodes of this. Hit him off the edge, I go, I did. No, hit him off the edge. Quick, run for it. Okay, get some extra life. Okay, you took some. Wait, check if you have your gun out. Or that's just going mad. Oh yeah, I made a new profile. Well, we'll be using Aaron. Don't know how we'll keep dying in this now. I'm just gonna make a quick run for this. Come back and get me, come on, get me, come on, get me, come on, get me. Okay, so we ran past them, so because they're really evil. Yeah. Oh, that was a nasty shot. What? I walked back. Okay. They don't do anything. This one passed. Yeah. I'm sorry about this, but we could get better at it. Okay, just run, yes. some. Yeah, take some. Oh, you got 50 ammo when you're going. If you want to go press that thing down.
Your maximum nanotech level has increased.
I got a slime gun before when I played this on mine. After this video we could pop over and see. You don't you don't know. Hey, no, you have ammo for your gun. Where's your gun? That one. Guys, just show my brother how to use the gun. Don't just shoot it at that person. Okay, be careful, there's trains. Jump on the wall. Stay there, stay. Oh, when you jump down, just do that thing I showed you. Look at that. Very cool, use that one. Okay, so Daniel's playing it right now. Use your gun at them. Use your gun. Okay, so jump on that. Just jump before we die. Okay, that's Daniel. This is his first time playing.
Ratchet, the planetary defense center is 200 cubits below us.
When I first got this game, if you want to know where you get this game, you can get it in these GameStop and App Store. Oh, a game store, and it's called, what was it? GameStop, and that's where I got it. But I was gonna get a different one as well, but you need the special one and stuff. But I don't have that yet. But I'll try to get it. If you just leave stuff in the comments. If you want me to get that, well, you have to see if I could. Oh, I'll probably finish this one first. Oh no, jump, hit. Take it. Oh, you just need one off. You done it! Fly. You have to move it, yeah. You have to move it. So you have to try to land on that thing there, yeah. So turn it, turn. Make sure that you don't crash. Not back yet. Ooh, you nearly died. Okay, it's like the driving wheel now. Okay, you land. You want to whip. No, want to nay. That's what my brother was doing to land. Okay, so we finished one part. I think it was 2 parts.
I'm away from my post at the Planetary Defense Center. Please enter the number that best describes your emergency. If you are being attacked by radioactive amoeboid, please press 1. If you've been ingested by a mutant space
Oh
eel,
God.
press 2. If your city is being attacked by a massive deadly space armada,
Post.
please press 3.
Take down Darwin.
I believe you may be their intended target.
You think?
Okay, so that's all for now. I'm gonna end that episode there. So goodbye. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Peace out. Wait.